Hello all, this session covers the latest Red Hat release of RHEL 9. I just installed it on one of my lab system. Look at the session, the version installed, you could see the beta version of RHEL 9 is installed. Any bugs that you are reporting again with this version you can report in Bugzilla, and whatever the documentation with respect to RHEL beta version that you can get it from this link. There is not much documentation is available. The basic initial release notes for this version is released by Red Hat. You can refer that document for further learning. The kernel that begins with version is 5.14. I subscribed it to Red Hat repository, and it comes with the two repository. One is with the base OS beta and other is upstream b. This is for the OS related packages, and this is for the application related packages. There are one more repository that is available with the code ready repository, but basically that repository is not under support by Red Hat. Whatever the packages that is ported through that repository, Red Hat won't support us to do any kind of technical help. I try to update the system if there is any patch or any security kernel update or bug fix, anything got released by Red Hat, but nothing has been released so far. It says it is already up to date. Yum list available. List the packages available in the systems. On both repository, you can just use list available command to list and see the. There are a lot of things available. This version is supporting for the containerization, the advanced security, advanced logging for the triple SD. I mean, this is for the identity management. The operating system just take 3.7 GB. If you took BFA to install the entire OS data on this test environment. See, 3.57 GB is the used space. And looking at the demessage and all, it is giving more detailed view from a kernel buffer, kernel data. So this will help us to do advanced troubleshooting. Message logs looks like it has a lot of contents inside. As a system admin, you should only look at the kernel messages, which is the primary priority for any system admin, so that if there is any issues reported at OS level, that you should be easily able to identify it. There is no alarming alert on the server. Those all are pretty straightforward with related to the operating system. Trying to explore more options on this new version. I don't see much option in the top command. Everything is same as. But I came to know that triple SD having additional features. So the agent is already installed, and I have to try and configure the Active Directory authentication service on this lab system to see how benefit that brings in for a business and for a system administration who look after all these troubleshooting issues with the authentication related issues. Grep Python kernel. I'm just checking the kernel versions from the available repo. It clearly says it has the current version, the latest version available is 5.14.0.1. In 19, that is the one which is already installed in. So there is no option to get this updated at the moment until Red Hat release the next kernel update. These are the physical disks that is currently available in the system. I have created this is on top of operating system, and I created another two physical disks with a 10 GB for additional testing. Yes, you can see the V volume groups created on the server. These are the volume groups. Yes, these are the logical volumes. So the SAR package, STAT package is by default is not part of RxCL9, so we had to install it manually. I'm just getting installed it. And this version has more advanced features like additional security. The Python version that is installed with the version 3.9, and for this SSL that comes with the version 3. So from an application and end user perspective, from a business perspective, this system is coming up with a lot of enhancement. In terms of patching, you can do this patch update, kernel live patch update through web interface, and containerized support, Docker support, and other features like uh, authentication for the triple SD, identity management. All are coming with the latest features on this operating system.